Hey guys, it's Mick here with Lincoln Select Real Estate Group at Nebraska Realty. And today I'm excited to talk to you about if you should be doing repairs prior to selling your home. I'm sure you're well aware it is still a seller's market. We've been in a seller's market for the last 5+ years. But what we are seeing is there's just simply lately are fewer buyers in the markets. But regardless, we are a seller's market. So what does that mean for you? That means that the homes coming on the market that are conditioned the best are the ones that are selling the fastest and for the most money. So I want to talk to you about what that looks like here today. So how are you going to get your house conditioned and in a position to sell quickly? The first thing I would do is absolutely meet with your real estate agent, somebody who has experience in selling and listing homes and knows exactly how to help you condition your home and what buyers are going to be looking for in your neighborhood specifically, as far as what issues they've seen in other properties they've looked at. So it's super important to talk to your agent. As far as we're concerned, we actually do a pre-inspection of our properties so the sellers can make any and all repairs so the home is as appealing as possible when buyers walk through that front door. The second thing I want to hit on here is the difference between cosmetic repairs and then maintenance repairs. So what we found here is, a lot of people end up doing cosmetic repairs when really there's just a lot of maintenance that needs done. And your average home buyer is going to see right through cosmetic repairs if there's blatant maintenance issues with the home. And so this can be kind of a gentle balance here where you absolutely want to maybe do a few cosmetic things, but the maintenance issues or neglected issues of your home are absolutely going to need to be taken care of before as well. When it comes to cosmetic repairs, really carpet and paints and some outside landscaping touch-up are going to be key with that. I really, if you're looking to sell, wouldn't go too much farther than that. And then when it comes to maintenance, getting that maintenance done is going to be probably one of the things that make buyers the most comfortable with your home. Again, if things look pretty, but they can tell that behind the pretty is ugly, you're not going to have a lot of luck selling your home to qualified buyers. And then making sure that you're making the proper repairs. So with us, we do have a 5K fix and list program in which we actually send a contractor out that's really experienced and understanding what's going to add value to a home and how to fix things. And so we absolutely are going to want to partner with that person to make sure that the repairs are happening and they're happening correctly. The last thing we want to do is have maintenance repairs occur, but they're done incorrectly, and then you have to end up doing them again when a buyer does come into play because they just weren't done right. So if you are curious about what this looks like, or you are thinking about selling your home, whether it's 6 days from now or 6 months from now, please reach out to us. The sooner the better. It gives us more time to do our job to help you sell your home. So slide into our DMs, message us like this, or comment. We'd love to help. Thanks so much.
Hey, thanks so much for checking out our video and watching till the end. If you're looking for more content about real estate, just simply subscribe over here to the right. And if you want more information on what your home is worth, check out sellyourhomelincoln.com to get an evaluation done, and one of our listing specialists will reach out to you to help you determine that final price. Thanks again.